You're now watching PAIRADICE TV. Some moments are just too good to leave behind. Over the past year, PAIRADICE TV has traveled from show to show, capturing incredible people, unbelievable machines, and stories you won't find anywhere else. Today, we're counting down 5 unforgettable moments that made us stop everything and hit record. Stay till the end, because number 1 is 100% crazy.
Rolling with Doc B, Midwest mixing, mix matching, scratching, broken rhyme fixing.
Let's kick this off with number 5.
No problem. So my name's Brian Mitchell, but everybody calls me Tough Enough. That's my jet car right there. We are at Great Lakes Dragway for Larry's Fun Fest, and this is a really cool event. Thousands of people come out here to see this stuff. They want to have a good time, and it's a way to get out to a place where it's safe for your kids to run around and have fun. So this is a Jet Funny car. It is powered by a Westinghouse J34 jet engine. There's no power going to the wheels, it's all thrust. And it has an afterburner on it. This engine was built between 1948 and 1972. They used it at the very end of the World War II. They used it during the Korean War and a little bit in Vietnam. And that there was a workhorse for the military for a very, very long time. They would use it to test different jet applications and airplanes. So when they wanted to try an airplane out, they would take a J34, put it in, fly it around, see how it would go, and then decided if it needed more power, if that was good enough. It shoots lots of flames. The way an afterburner works is all the air that the jet engine has passing through it goes out the back, and what we do is we add fuel to the tailpipe. And by adding fuel to the tailpipe, that makes a big explosion in the tailpipe, and it doubles the amount of thrust. So the engine makes 3,000 pounds of thrust on its own, and with the afterburner cooking, 6,000 pounds of thrust, about 12,000 horsepower. Well, I've been drag racing since the early 80s. I've been doing jet cars since 2015. I like them both. I've got a 66 Nova that's a blown alcohol car, and then I got the Jet. And they're both fast. They both go over 200 miles an hour in a quarter mile. And, you know, it's like having 2 girlfriends. You like them both. And they do different things for you. Absolutely. I didn't build the car. I bought the car. I've done a lot of upgrades to it. I've gotten it so that way it passes NHRA and IHRA specs for all the safety rules and everything, and we kind of modernized it a little bit. So there's a little bit of data logging going on, things that weren't around when the engine was new, but we have to keep our eyes on things because parts are getting hard to find, and if you do find them, they cost a fortune. So we do everything we can to not hurt this thing. PAIRADICE TV in the house! Don't miss it.
Number 4.
I'm thinking, that's not the kind of car you have for 9 to 5. He's somebody I asked for a f***ing application. All-wheel drive in sports mode, lifted up for 4-wheel drive, and the suspension is set up. The cop's worst nightmare is to be chasing this. You hit a deer, it wouldn't stop this. It would run right over. It's got the clearance for it. Oh, no, none of that. None of that. It's Top Dog International right here. Fire International. Yeah. PAIRADICE TV. Yes, sir.
You are not watching TV. You're watching PAIRADICE TV.
You made it this far. You should stay for number 3.
We all grew up BMXing and skateboarding. We got tired of hurting our bodies, so we just looking for the next best thing. Still chasing it, man. You are now watching Paradise TV.
If you're enjoying these unforgettable moments, make sure you hit subscribe and join the Paradise TV family. We've got hundreds of car culture stories, exclusive interviews, drifting, drag racing, custom builds, and more on the way. Now let's get back to the action. Number 2.
I have a 4.8 liter LS. The frame is actually a front stub off of an Astrovan. I built the frame from there back, and I'm using the Astrovan rear end. The cab's a 51. I used Peterbilt visor and switched the hood around, and I got Volvo universal joints on the steering shaft, and had to build the floor and everything here. See inside. Airbagged it, and I 3-linked the rear end. Everything's pretty much custom on it. It took me about 4 years to build. I don't have a shop, actually. I just work out of a 2-car garage. A lot of guys ask me how big my shop is, and I said, it doesn't matter how big your shop is.
Under 10 minutes.
Okay, here we go. I watch Paradise TV. All right.
Let's pull up on numero uno.
Y'all for hanging out, checking this thing out, and Rodney, man, if y'all don't know that guy, he's good. That guy is gold. You don't find people like him. With all that being said, we want to thank you guys for every nut and bolt on our truck and every shingle on our roof. I love you guys. All right, hey people, this is Dennis Anderson here, creator of Gravedigger Monster Truck and Kingsling Mega Truck. You're watching Paradise TV. Check it out. Oh yeah, my man.
You are now watching Paradise TV.
414. Deuce, cherry, what it do? Ain't a gang thing, it's a love thing. Are we back? PAIRADICETV.com. PAIRADICETV.com.
Those were 5 unforgettable moments that reminded us exactly why we love this culture. From horsepower and creativity to the people behind the machines, every event has a story worth telling. Before you go, help us keep independent automotive content alive by hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and sharing it with another car enthusiast, aka the homies. Then visit PAIRADICETV.com for exclusive content, official merchandise, and our garage recommendations featuring products we trust and recommend. And don't miss what's coming next. We've got more car shows, drag racing, drifting, exclusive interviews, road trips, and behind-the-scenes projects already in production. If you're looking for professional aerial video or photography, we have FAA Part 107 certified, experienced, and insured remote drone pilots available for commercial projects, events, and promotional media. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it turned. From the Brew City to everywhere. This video has been brought to you by Paradise TV.